Well, how 100 children to do? 100 children know this year the Queen Quet one more get. This year time I come from right here in my own county. Beaufort, South Kakalaki. Look at children, you see that bridge what did it behind me? I hope so one bridge just like I'm to bring 100 children right here down to the Gullah Geechee Nation. Because this year the time for the Gullah Festival. Yeah, we all this festival, the original one. We're going to celebrate who we done down here. Upon these y'all and a thing like that. And rather was throughout the Gullah Geechee Nation. Plenty children that came from all around for be with we. So me hope say 100 children is some of the children we going to see. So look your children, you know you come for join me. You're going to have plenty fun and things like that. Because this year the what going on, and this year the Queen Quet coming live from the Henry C. Timber Waterfront Park here in Beaufort, South Kakalaki. Look at children. We ain't call them beautiful Beaufort by the sea for nothing. So come to the Gullah Festival and join we. Peace and blessing.